Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. I'm just curious, and on this episode I'm just doing LED installation to see how my Boslla 3-color 4-way LEDs they're gonna look on headlights. So let's get to it. I've been having these Boslla LEDs H11s for a long time, and you can see over 2 years working fine, but I always been having them on my RAV4 on the fog lights. So that's not projector, it's reflector. I'm curious to see on this GMC Yukon how they're gonna look on the headlights with projectors. This is, like I said, 3 different lights, 4 modes. It's gonna be 6000K, 5000K, 3000K, and then the emergency mode. On the driver's side, we just have this cap right here. Super easy. Remove it, unplug the bulb, and twist it, pull it out. For the driver's side, it's just the filter, the air filter. We have to remove it to get to the cap. So let me put the light on that side first, and then we're gonna start working on that side. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the air intake box, wait until it gets dark so we can see how it looks driving and how it looks at night with these Boslla H11 LEDs. Okay, the intake box is being removed. You can disconnect the sensor and then disconnect this part, remove the tube, and then pull the whole box completely without removing the screws in it. I just did it this way so I can clean the box too. Now we have all the access for the headlight on the passenger side. I just gotta remove this and put the new bulb, and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, I have the lights on. I'm gonna be driving around to see the light output of these Bosslas, plus I'm gonna see the different modes at night, so I'm really excited to do this. So there you have it. It looks really bright at night. I like them, but for some reason on this side it looks blue. It's not white on that side. I don't know why. The first one was 6000K. This is 5000. It looks really good. And that's 3000. I like 3000. It looks really mean. It looks good. And that's the emergency. Yeah, I don't know why it looks blue on this side, but that's 6000, and I think it looks good too. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it with that. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this H11 Bosslas in case you wanna get them. I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.